Hi everyone, welcome. I'd like to introduce you to Dr. Ozello of Championship Chiropractic.
Hello everybody.
And I'm James Wong. Today we're talking all about neck strengthening and who doesn't need a stronger neck. So Dr. Ozello, let's get right into it.
Excellent.
Why is neck strengthening so important?
Well, strengthening the neck muscles is vital for musculoskeletal health and for proper posture. Many times the neck is a neglected body part when it comes to training. Or think about, I'm going to do some shrugs, or I'm going to do some upright rows and strengthen the trapezius muscles, the upper trapezius muscles, which is a very important exercise, but it's not getting the entire neck. We want to make sure that the neck is strong in all motions. It's very important when you're doing neck exercises to make sure that you're in a good position. We want the upper back in a good position. We want the shoulder blades and the shoulders in a good position when we're strengthening the neck. And just like any other type of exercise, you always want to remember that an exercise should never elicit or intensify symptoms. If it does, then you want to stop immediately and find a viable substitute.
That's great. So let's hear some great neck strengthening exercises.
Well, the very basic strengthening exercises, what I always recommend people start at is just with the isometric type of a neck strengthening exercise. And you could do that just with your own hand. You never want to put pressure on the jaw or on the ear, but you want to just provide a mild amount of resistance while you're performing an isometric exercise. And then you can move into what's called isotonic, where you are providing the resistance again, and you are moving through a symptom-free range of motion. Say I wanted to bend to the left. So I would start to the right, and I'm providing resistance, and then slowly move to the left. And that's going to strengthen the muscles on the left-hand side. And we can do that through all ranges of motion for the neck.
That's great. So obviously having a strong neck is important for your posture, but more importantly for athletes, high impact athletes, how does neck strengthening help prevent things like concussions?
Oh, that's actually an excellent question. When we think about concussions, we always think about someone hit their head, right? And that does not have to happen when someone gets concussion. It can be an impact to the body, and the neck whips around, and the brain moves around in the skull, and that causes the concussion. Okay, so it doesn't have to be a direct impact to the skull. So strengthening the neck will help to hold the neck in a better position when an impact occurs. So neck strengthening exercise, there's a lot of research about this, and it's kind of controversial, but there's a lot of research that points to the fact that having a strong upper mid-back area and having a strong neck is going to help to prevent concussions or help to lessen the severity of a concussion when an impact occurs.
That's great. All right. Add neck strengthening exercises to your routine. Thanks, Dr. Ozello.
You're welcome. Thank you, James. Thank you, everybody, for watching today's video on spine health. If you have questions, feedback, or suggestions, you can leave them in the comment section below. Please feel free to like this video, and please subscribe to my YouTube page, Dr. Donald A. Ozello, DC. You can also visit my website, championshipchiropractic.com, where you can see my blog, which contains articles on sports medicine, chiropractic, health, fitness, and nutrition. Thanks again for watching today's video.